Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav from InCred Equities. As we discussed in the previous morning calls, that as long as 24,850 is not taken out, the bulls are unlikely to be in the charge and bears may take control, which may push the index lower. Yesterday was a day when Nifty fell by 250 points, closed around 200, 210 points towards the end of trading session. There was weakness. Bank Nifty, though it was weak, not as much as the Nifty index. And that is the silver lining that Bank Nifty has not cracked big time, which basically indicates that we may see a bounce back if 24,500 sustain. So now that we got the first part correct, where from 25,100 levels we have been advising to create shorts, safe traders at the lower levels, risk takers at the higher levels, and the critical supports were also taken out. 24,500 now becomes very important. As far as the option writers are concerned, 24,500 put writers are confident. Yesterday, Nifty went below 24,500, but we witnessed a bounce back again about this coveted level, which basically meant that the option writers, especially the put writers, were not in extreme pain. The Nifty closed comfortably above that level. So going forward, yesterday's low 24,500, or if somebody wants to take 30-40 points lower, that can be taken as the immediate support area. Any dip towards 24,500 can be bought into, keeping stop loss of 100 points, playing for 24,800 kind of levels. Since we are stuck in the range where 24,850 is the immediate resistance and 24,500 is the immediate support area, one should be playing for small upsides and downsides rather than playing for a very strong up move or down move. As far as the US markets are concerned, they closed flat, and we may see some more profit booking going forward, but it's not going to be extremely weak. But time correction has kicked in, and going forward, that is going to be the case. For today, Bank Nifty will have to play a role if 24,500 has to be sustained. Since we are through with weekly expiry, I don't expect too much of volatility. GIFT Nifty is pointing towards 30 points upside as we speak, so in all likelihood, we'll open on a flattish note. A downside would be meaningful because then we'll have a proper trade in our hands. So wait for levels towards 24,500 to create fresh longs. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.